After covering the 22 lectures of CST Basic Tutorial Series, we are able to design any antenna or any model in CST. First, I will start with a simple one like a patch antenna for specific application of 2.4 GHz frequency. The resonant frequency will be 2.4 GHz. Similarly, there are many methods of excitation of patch antenna, different feeding methods used, but here we will use the inset feed method to make the impedance. For impedance matching, we will use it. Also, we will discuss how we can assign a variable. By using variable, we can change the values, and we will see these variables will be helpful when we are defining the sweep of antenna. If you want to know the basic concept of patch antenna designing and how I get the value of patch length and width, how we get the value of feed, inset feed of, and how we can match it, the basic principles and basic microwave concept, I have created a separate tutorial series. You can check my channel playlist where is antenna tutorial series. You can see there a theory lecture with antenna design. Here I will show you how to design antenna and what are the steps that needed to design an antenna, and how we can use the variable for assigning different values to ground, patch and substrate. Now let's start. The operating frequency is 2.4, so I am going to select the range from 2 to 2.8. Press next and finish. These are the steps we will follow for designing an antenna. In this way, first ground. On the top of ground there will be a substrate or dielectric. On the top of substrate there will be an antenna, and after that we will give a feed line with port as excitation. For creating a break, just press an escape key. This dialog box will appear. Change the name. First is ground. Second, I am going to assign the variables to ground and all different parameters. As we know, the dimension of ground and substrate are almost same. Only difference is in their height. So I am using the same parameter. I have defined a variable SBX, substrate along x-axis from minimum starting point to maximum x maximum endpoint. Similarly in y-axis and z-axis it will be in a downward. Their thickness will be that much. This is for a ground. So I will assign values to it. Just click on preview after writing the variables here. And you can also add the dimension. Press OK. For second, for y-axis, press OK. You can see that the ground has been created. Assign material to this. I am going to assign material as a perfect conductor as a copper to a ground. Just press OK. Again take a box for creating substrate. Now you can see that the same parameter I used because the dimension is same, ground and substrate, only difference is in height. Just press preview. Height is 1.5. Press OK. You can see that by rotating this is the substrate. Just press on OK. Now assign properties to material to substrate. I am going to assign it 4.08 and tangential delta value that much. Press OK. Next step is to design an antenna. Assign new variable to an antenna. Material has been assigned copper as a perfect conductor. Press OK. You can see that antenna design has been created. I have created ground substrate antenna. Now is the time to create a feed line. New variable has been defined for a feed. You can see that the feed has been assigned to a substrate. From here you can see that the starting position for x minimum and x maximum is basically transmission line dimension, but here y minimum is starting. Here is this is a y axis, this is going a y axis, so y axis minimum is substrate of y because the starting position is the end of this substrate, and y maximum is start of substrate. So negative of substrate variable has been assigned. Similarly, the upper position, the z-axis dimension is the starting point is above the substrate, and the height of this transmission line is same as the substrate, as the antenna. The antenna dimension was same as a z maxima. Just press OK. Now we have to create an insert field. The purpose of that is for impedance matching. If you want to know the basic concept how to complete the impedance to 50 ohm, for basic concept you can see my lectures in separate antenna tutorials series. In an antenna tutorial series, I have also designed a lot of antenna, the same antenna of insert eating feeding method of patch antenna. Values assigned to the insert feed. The concept is this: the starting point of this transmission line was this. From positive side, we will start from here, and similarly we will add the insert field x dimension. Similarly, at y-axis, the starting position of antenna along y-axis, and we will add the insert field dimension along y-axis in positive direction. The z-axis dimension will remain same as the antenna and field line. Just press on OK. Now for insert field there will also I need to transform this. Along this will be along x-axis, and repeating factor will be 1, the copy of it, and also unite. First we will check the preview, it is OK, and apply. Now we are going to subtract this from let's subtract and enter. After that, unite the field line with antenna. Or add. After assigning a field line, next part is to assign the port. I will zoom this field line, and after that pick the face of this, and just go to in this time we are just assigning the not a predefined port that is available in macros. We will use the concept of that. The K will be automatically calculated. It will take the dimension automatically from this design. Press construct port and pick on the picked face. From here you can see that the pros port has been assigned. Frequency range we have selected already. Now check the field monitor. We want to check the E field, apply far field. The field you want to monitor, just click on that and apply. We will see in another lecture the other field, how we will discuss them. Press on OK. After doing this, check out all the step has been completed, and check the materials has been assigned to antenna, ground and substrate, and finally go to simulation and start simulation. Here click on start. The simulation will start. In next part we will discuss the results, S parameters and far field parameters.